So, hello guys, once again, welcome to my channel. This is Chorkor TV, a channel for the people of Ghana and also promoting the Ghana language, culture, food, and anything that has to do with the Gadangme. And today we're on the street asking people what they actually know about the people of Ghana. We want to see what they have in mind, what they've learned so far, what they know about them, and then they'll share with you and I. So please, if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. With Ichiga, we promote the Ghana language as well, and we do video about the Gadangme. Abladi abibe min danye shinyake nye kliki nye ba akwe video ne. Keji yo kan click bi no ba bi ngbeji ni ayi eke ganyobi ni ye plamane no ichon ogan in you ogan if your video ye gami won bomode yake wa bomode nu woke wo wale apia koni ganwe mo awe no ni eko emama papa ebu ewo mene wo ye circle won bi me no ni poten amele ye gama ahe ni amekewo agba hisane ewo kan no here pa no subscribe no kwa video ka tanagbe han wole no jon ye like video na chomo jomo ye comment section ni o share video no like ganyofe no le ke video ne achonle no handle kwe, and make sure you comment, let me know what you think about this video. So guys, let's get right into the video and see what people have to say. My name is Nia aka Gadangme. Hola bawo. Hello, my name is Nia. What's your name?
I'm Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Yes.
Hey, they are selling our team. Are you a Chelsea fan?
By default.
By default. Yeah, they are selling our team. Anyway, where are you from? As in, which region are you from?
I'm from the Central region.
Central region. How long have you been in Accra?
My whole life.
How many? How long have you been in Accra?
Like since I was born.
Oh, then it means you speak Ga, right?
I understand, but I'm not fluent.
Oh wow! So 1 to 10. If you are giving yourself a mark 1 to 10.
4.
4. Wow, that's really bad.
Be careful, huh?
Why were you not motivated to learn the Ga?
Well, I've not really been surrounded by guns, so.
Okay. But did you learn it in school?
Yeah, I learned purposely for exam sake, so.
Really? Yes. All right. Okay. So my name is Nia. What's your name?
My name is Samuel.
Where are you from?
I'm from the eastern region of Ghana.
Okay. How long have you been in Accra?
I was born here, so I can say.
You've been in Accra the whole of your life?
Yes.
So do you speak the Ga language?
Not really.
Really?
Not really. I understand, but I can't speak fluent.
So in terms of 1 to 10?
5.
5?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. So my name is Nia. What's your name?
My name is Brown.
Come again?
Brown.
Where are you from?
I'm a Nigerian.
Oh, wow. I'm on Nigeria. Ghana Jollof and Nigeria Jollof. Which one do you go for?
Ghana Jollof.
Are you sure? Yes. Are you sure you are saying?
Nigerian fried rice.
Wait, though. Are you sure, or is it because you are in Ghana? That's why.
No, seriously, Ghana Jollof, Nigeria fried rice.
What's the difference between Ghana Jollof and Nigeria Jollof?
It gives this, I don't know, Ghana Jollof.
All right. Okay. So, how long have you been in Ghana?
2014.
Oh, since 2014. What brought you here to?
I'm schooling.
Schooling. Wow, interesting. And so since you are in Ghana, tell me how is Ghana treating you?
Compared to Nigeria, I would say the security is far better than Nigeria. So Ghana is. I could come out middle of the night to work, but I can't even try it in Nigeria.
Really? Yeah. So are you enjoying Ghana well?
Of course.
Food.
Food. I'm managing.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. So, do you know some of the tribes in Ghana?
Okay, I know of Fanti, Ewe, Hausa, Gan. Yeah.
Okay, Hausa here is not a tribe anyway or ethnic group, but it's a language people speak. Hello, my name is Nia. What's your name, sir?
I'm Raymond.
Raymond. Oh, wow. Then you are me. Because I'm also called Raymond.
Really?
Really?
Yes.
Wow, what a coincidence.
Okay, sir.
Anyway, so where are you from? Which region are you from?
I'm from the eastern region.
Okay.
Yeah.
What brought you to Accra? Or how long have you been in Accra?
I've been in Accra all my life. I was actually born in Accra.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you speak the Ga language?
Few.
All right, so but let me ask this: is the Ga language difficult?
Oh no, not at all. Especially for someone that was born in Accra. I think growing up with the people in a compound house and also studying Ga back from primary to JHS, it was quite easy for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Anyway, so the question I'm asking is, since you've been in Accra for so many years, what do you know about the Ga people? What do you know about them? When they mention the people of Ga, Greater Accra, what do you know about them?
I know they are. Is it they originated or they are from Ile-Ife in Nigeria? Yeah. That's all.
Okay, so that's all that you know about them.
That's why I say I can just say off head.
Anyway, so what do you know about the people of Ga?
Okay. The people of Ghana, I used to know them by their food,
Okay.
their culture.
What food was that?
People of Ghana eat they eat Ga-adanmge,
Okay.
and their culture is omoho.
Okay.
So during the omoho, they used to prepare pepile and palm soup.
Okay.
That's the little that I know about the people of Ghana.
Okay. Aside that, that's what you know about them.
Okay, I know that they stay at the seaside. So when
The
you
coastal area.
yes, when you go to let me say, okay, Osu, Kolegono and those stuff. That's their place where they stays.
Oh.
Okay.
But do you know where actually the Gans migrated from?
Not really.
Not really.
Yeah.
All right. So, what do you know about the Ga? Because this channel is a Ga channel promoting the Ga and then the people of the Ga language and the people of Ga. So, what do you know about the Gas? What have you heard about them?
I really don't know much, but I know when they ask if they want to say how are you in Ga, they go by saying Teote.
Oyote.
Yeah, and you reply by saying I'm not really sure in your Jugba.
That's it, exactly. Are you a Yoruba or?
No, I'm from the north.
Waiting concern you for my life. Make una live my life alone.
Lagos.
From the north.
From the north. But you get the pronunciation of the Ga very well.
I know. People say that.
Interesting. So, CEO, you see, we have a lot of people living in Accra and they are Ghanaians, but yet still they can't speak Ga. But you Nigerian coming in Ghana for something, you can even say something. Apart from Teo or in your Jogba, what else can you say?
I think the language is easy to learn.
Okay.
I've been trying for some time, but I prefer learning Ga than the tree.
Okay.
And
Why?
I stay with some people and they are Ga. So whenever they speak the language, it's always, I think it's easy to learn. If I put my mind to learn, definitely I would learn the language.
Wow.
And they're really nice, the Gans.
Yeah. So the people you are with, they are really nice with you, right?
Yes, please.
Wow. Is there anything you've noticed about them that you can share?
When it comes to the food aspect, they don't mind. How will I put it? I would say they're not really stingy with the food.
Okay.
I'm eating my food, and let's say someone walks into the house, they will definitely accommodate the person and they would also serve the person. That's one thing I really like about them.
Wow, this is so big. So the question I'm asking today is, what do you know about the people of Ghana?
Okay, I know they have the festival called Homewo.
Okay.
Yeah, and they have their street carnival things where there are times there's a ban on playing of music instruments. Yeah, maybe something to maybe appease the gods or something.
Okay.
And then I know the Ga ladies also are very hardworking.
Okay.
Yes, they are very hardworking. Well, there's a concept that the Ga men, some of them don't like working, but
But
I've seen that the women are not like that. They are very committed and hardworking. I mean, they they put in their strength for what they believe in and what is working for them. Yeah, that's the little I know.
Okay. What message do you have for other tribes living in Accra?
In relation to Ga,
Yes.
maybe make the effort to learn the Ga language. Yeah.
Okay. Guys, thank you so much. She has done well. Oh, thank you so much. All right. Thank you for having you. Right.
Thank you too for having me.
Oh yeah, I had a story, especially the Homoho I learned is from the Bible when the people of Israel, when God, I think the story is from the Bible.
Okay.
When the people of Israel, when Moses
Let the people of
Israel from Egypt to the promised land, yeah. So during that time when they came to the promised land, I think that's the main reason why they used to celebrate Omoho.
Wow. All right. Okay. Another day we'll do full education on that, but not today. Charlie, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
So we all know that Ga doesn't dominate. The speaking of Ga doesn't dominate in Greater Accra.
Okay, yeah.
Do you have any idea why it has gotten to this way?
Well, I would say, Accra is the capital town. Okay, Greater Accra. So it looks like most people migrate from their regions to Greater Accra.
Okay.
Let's say for greener pastures
Yeah.
and for the opportunities. When foreigners also come into the country, they are coming to Accra. So most of the developments are going on in Accra. So I think because of that, you have a lot of people trooping in. And that brings up the diversity that has come in here, and most people will also come in with their. I find that the place is good for me. I'll try to bring in my people.
Okay.
Yes. They are welcoming. They welcome you once you come in. So I think that's why you can say it's not really dominating here. Yes, sir.
But do you think there's something that the people of the Ga people should have done to help them for their language to dominate? Because since you are coming to a place, because if you go to China, you definitely go and speak China, or you definitely speak Chinese, or even learn how to speak Chinese, right?
Sure.
So is there anything that the Ga people didn't do that has led to that?
Well, first of all, you will say that Ghana has many ethnic groups,
Exactly.
many tribes. So I can't pinpoint one thing I would say the Gans did not do that has led to this occurring in Accra. But then the little I can say is maybe the willingness of the people who come to Accra also to learn the language, Maybe that's what I can say. Maybe some people may not be really willing to learn. Maybe they came purposely for business.
So
I have come for business. Let me just focus on that.
Yeah.
So maybe that's the little I just can say.
Thank you so much. Do you have any final words you want to say? Maybe any advice to people about the Gans, or you want a message? You have a message for the Ga people?
Oh, little I can say is that let's just keep on speaking and learning our local dialects, our local languages, not just the Ga language, but even as parents, we have to make sure our children can learn our language and speak in the house. Some people are just like to school, learn the English and stuff, but even struggle with the local languages when they are in the house. But I think it's good when the children know at least something from where they are coming from. It helps. It helps.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Raymond.
Mr. Raymond. Interesting. Wow. If you have any message for Ghanaians, what will you tell them?
They should keep being nice to people, and they should not. They should be nice to people. The fact that I'm a Nigerian doesn't mean you should be. How will I put it? Exactly. I should be discriminated. It doesn't speak well. But most of the Ghanaians I've met, they are really nice to me.
But do you experience any discrimination?
Yeah, kind of, but little. Not much. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time. Okay.
You're welcome.
Wow, this is the right channel for you to learn Ga. So subscribe to this channel. Okay.
What channel?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So guys, we come to an end to the video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. My name is Nia, aka Gadangme. Ola Bao. Peace out. Oh, Charlie, thank you. I like that. Oh, let me show you. You have your phone here. Let me